Hello there guys, Francis Gray here and welcome back to a brand new build. And in today's video we're going to be building up some more bottle caps from the Fallout universe, but today we're going to be focusing on the Vim brand. I'll see you after this.
I don't want to set the world on fire.
Okay guys, so welcome back. So recently I did two videos. One was how to make a cap stash of Nuka-Cola bottle caps, and I used recycled bottle caps that I found while out and about exploring. And then more recently I did a video where I did every single variant flavour bottle cap of every Nuka-Cola brand. So that's like Nuka Grape, Nuka Orange, Nuka Quartz, Nuka Quantum, etc. So sit back and enjoy, and I will see you at the end. Okay, so in order to start this off, we're going to go in with just some traditional normal Vim. And if you don't know what this stuff is, basically this was a rival company to the more iconic Nuka-Cola brand in the Fallout universe. So that's the Fallout games and spin-off games, and obviously now the TV series. So yeah, so this was the standard brand. This was the main one that was out there. So in order to crack on with these, I'm not going to go into depth on every step on how to do these. If you're interested in seeing how I make these, either check out this video or this video. Links will be in the description, where I go more into depth on how these are made. So now that has been said, let's just crack on with getting these done. Okay, so a little bit of background on this drink. So Vim Pop Incorporated was founded in 1931, initially being sold as a health tonic. It wasn't as popular as Nuka-Cola, however in Maine it was more widely consumed than its rival. Vim was even referred to as a state tradition and about to become the official state drink of Maine. However, during the process of making this official, legal situation forced the company to back off its marketing. Vim was going to be bought out by the Nuka-Cola Corporation before the Great War. Doyle Reed, the owner, who held the company in his family for years, was fighting against the takeover. However, the certain financial problems being caused by the company's legal issues, the CEO was being urged to sell the company. The only legal entanglement with the public was aware of consistence of a male employee of the Vim factory, Alex, allegedly punching a female bar patron. Though several witnesses denied this, instead supporting Alex's claim that the female hit him unprovoked and he hit back as a reflex. Still, the local news attached to the story and forced the company to hold back on television advertisements and product releases. One successful form of marketing which continued despite these problems was the Vim Ambassador program, where salespeople in fully functional T-51 power armor painted in Vim livery would go out amongst the public. Two sets of such armor are available, one in PIM plant at the PIM power factory next to the terminal where the paint schematics can be downloaded, and another in Vim Refresh paint in a truck along the coastal road north of National Park Visitor Centre. So yeah, that was interesting. Okay, that's one down, another 3 to go. And for the next one, I'm going to go in with some Vim Captain's Blend. Okay, so the background, Vim Captain's Blend's tested formula 10784 was in its testing state before the Great War. It hadn't yet been released on the market, though it was noted to be remarkably popular among focus groups. The number one word used to describe the taste was fishy. Ugh. The company higher ups were confused as to the popularity of the taste and were hesitant to put it out for a full release. The inspiration for the drink's odd flavour came from the marketing department team member Nolan Fuller's request to put the taste of Maine in a bottle. In fact, even the CEO hadn't been made aware of the ingredients causing the popular fishy taste. The Captain's Blend is a result of Vim research and development team member Iris Mason being frustrated with Norman's vague request and taking bottles of Vim and mixing in fiddleheads, lobster shells and various extracts. Aster was later added to mask the aroma of the lobster shells. One thing working in the detriment of Captain's Blend, however, was testers remarking that it caused an odd swelling sweat. One tester remarked that another smelt like a pear after drinking the beverage. However, a side effect of the smell was how it made lobsters less prone to attack a commercial fisherman when he was removing them from the cages. So yeah, that sounds god awful. Okay, halfway there, 2 more to go. And for the next one, we're going to go in with some Vim Quartz. So the background is a twist on the classic Vim. Vim Quartz was bubblegum flavoured and contained extra oomph or Vim oomph, if in brackets, making drinkers more energised. Vim Pop Incorporated was in a dispute with Nuka-Cola over the use of the name Quartz, because obviously there's Nuka Quartz as well in the drink's title. As the latter company had already produced a drink with the name Quartz, which is a special glowing white version of their signature drink, Nuka-Cola Quartz, which was a regional exclusive in the American Southwest. Nuka-Cola eventually won out, and it was predicted that Vim Quartz would be off the shelves by the following year. However, the bombs fell before any repercussions could be taken place. So that's interesting, I didn't know that. Characteristics: Vim Quartz is one of the 4 known Vim flavours. The soft drink comes in a transparent glass bottle and is tinted a light yellow colour, which, like the new Coca-Cola Quantum, glows in the dark. Quantum has a higher label than the standard Vim flavour, with a white background with a purple, white and red logo. Consuming Vim Quartz restores a decent amount of health points and action points, while also temporarily increasing carrying weight by 15 pounds. It is most useful during the earlier game stages, where the sole survivor's health pool and carrying capacity are still relatively small. So yeah, that was interesting. I didn't know Coca-Cola and Vim argued over the name Quartz for their drinks, but yeah, I suppose it makes sense. Okay, so that's 3 down, and we've got 1 more to go. And for the next one, we're going to go in with some Vim Refresh. Okay, so let's go into some of the background. So Vim Refresh was even more energizing than the infamous Vim Quartz and was flavoured with apples. Refresh looks the same as regular Vim, but with a light green colour and a lime wedge designed on the label. Rarer than the regular Vim, it can be found in Vim machines throughout the wasteland. It is an upgrade to regular Vim, as the weight and lack of rads stays the same while the HP and AP gains increase, along with the added faster recovery effects. So it says crafting, provided the recipe has previously been downloaded from the research terminal inside the laboratory on the roof of the Vim Pop factory. Vim Refresh can be crafted at any cooking station. So apparently it only weighs 1 in your inventory, and if you wanted to sell it, it is valued at 40 bottle caps. Okay guys, I think we're all done. Okay guys, I hope you've enjoyed this one, and I think all 4 of them have turned out really nice. So if you're wondering why I did 2 versions of each one, basically I described in the other videos that I wanted to do one that was new and clean, and then that ends up getting a bit of hot glue in the back, a really strong magnet, and then I display them on my new Coca-Cola fridge, where I'm going to go ahead and try to create every known drink brand from the Fallout universe. So that is quite a challenge to do because there's quite a lot. And the more dirty up versions of these bottle caps, basically I'm just going to put them to one side, and I'm thinking about making a second cap stash. I don't think I'll record that because you've already seen it in the first one. This is just personally something for me to add to my Fallout themed kitchen, and if you're interested in seeing that kitchen done in the future, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so you don't miss out on that video. So yeah, so now that we've done all the Nuka-Colas and we've done all the Vim brands, for the next one I'm thinking about doing every beer brand, and there are a lot of beers in the world of Fallout. So yeah, so if you're interested in seeing those, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out. And also, if you want to check out some of my other videos where I've painted up my fridge to make it a Nuka-Cola fridge, or some of the other Nuka-Cola bottle caps, etc., all links will be in the description bar below, so help yourself and hopefully you enjoy them. And if you really enjoy them, please don't forget to hit that like button, share on Facebook and X, because it helps me people find the YouTube channel, which I'm always appreciative. Thank you for any help. If you have any comments, comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And if you want to be a really awesome viewer, please take 5 minutes to check out my Patreon page, where with your help we can do these videos full time rather than part time, which means a lot more work for me and a lot more video content for you guys. So, hope you've enjoyed it. Once again, I'm Francis Gray, and these are the Vim bottle caps from the Fallout universe. I'll see you in the next build. If you like the content that I'm making, you'd like to support my work, here is a few links in the description, but only if you can afford it, and thanks for watching. See you in the next one.